Introducing New York Times best-selling author Nikki Grimes. Whether writing poetry or fiction, Mrs. Grimes has successfully succeeded in creating works featuring young African American characters with whom children and young adults can identify. Drawing upon scenes from her own childhood in New York City, Nikki is noted for successfully conveying the Black experience and universal themes such as friendship, tolerance, family, community relationships, and children surviving adolescence. Nikki was raised in a foster home for a short period of time, and despite her difficult childhood, her stories are characterized by optimism and warmth. Nikki does not consider herself a bona fide storyteller, but as she told an audience at the Library of Congress, she is happy to own the title of poet. These are a few of the many books that she has written. Her latest book is a memoir in verse titled Ordinary Hazards Word Song. This is an homage of book covers of the 55 books Nikki has written. Now we're going to do some activities based on two of those books. C is for City by Nikki Grimes. It's an urban alphabet book written in verse. What we will do is take 30 seconds and we are going to use each letter in the alphabet and name things we may see around the city. I'm going to start my timer. 30 seconds, go. A, apple. B, boy. C, cat. D, dog. E, eagle. F, fan. G, girl. H, hat. I, ice. J, jacket. K, kite. Stop. My 30 seconds are up. The next activity we're going to do is based on a book called Thanks a Million. And this book helps you to think about what makes you thankful. Does a book make you thankful? A weekend? Family? Friends? How do you say thanks? Nikki Grimes reminds us of how wonderful it is to feel thankful and how powerful a simple thank you can be. And what we're going to do is use technology and learn how to say thank you in 4 new languages. Hey Siri, how do you say thank you in Spanish?
In Spanish, thank you is gracias.
Gracias. That's the best I can do. Hey Siri, how do you say thank you in French?
In French, thank you is merci.
Merci. Hey Siri, how do you say thank you in Russian?
In Russian, thank you is spasibo.
Spasiba. Hey Siri, how do you say thank you in German?
In German, thank you is danke.
Danke. That concludes my author study regarding Miss Nikki Grimes, author, writer, illustrator. We thank you for your contribution. To young readers,